I'm in one big room full of fine women. They got their faces beat to death. These girls is vicious. Perfect smiles like their daddy was a dentist. They got their own money, second like they getting lendings. And they don't do purses, all they do is clutches. Keeps them cough inside them, so I call them Dutches. Them hills is 200, bags is 300. If you ain't got your own, then they quick to say 100. And don't get too fly with them thinking cause they pretty. They won't hesitate to smack the stickers off your fitted. They got one mantra, that's go get it. And once they do that, they hit the mall and go spend it. They fresh every day, that's what makes y'all different. They got one taste and it's expensive. My swag on high, I'm so comfortable with a Michael Kors on their wrist. Tiffany, man, you see I'm in. Woo! Yo, subscribe to the damn YouTube channel, damn it. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Sean Cuddy. Sean Knox, 5 Verse Fridays. Uno.